Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a V taper using nothing but dumbbells, alright? So we're going to focus on making that waist look smaller by building other body parts, alright? So first one we are going to use is the dumbbell lateral raise. We're going to focus on widening up those lateral delts to help streamline the waist, alright? So basically all you're going to do here, typical lateral raise, you don't want to raise the weight up. Your goal, your mindset is to put the weights out towards the walls, all right? So you're going to lock yourself in place, core nice and tight. Out. You want to focus on building those lateral heads, all right? So the focus is right here on that center. The next exercise we're going to do is going to target your lats and rear delts. So we're working shoulders, lats, okay? That's the angle that we're focusing on. And you can use a dumbbell to add some weight here. You want to do wide pull-ups to get wide lats, all right? So we're going to go a little wider grip. And you're going to place the dumbbell between your feet. Nice and controlled on the way down. Mind muscle connection, all lats. All right, what you're doing here, again, cup the dumbbell, add some weight. And you actually, when you're pulling, you want to focus on pulling your elbows down. That's your mindset that you're focusing on. Not just lifting your weight up, but you're pulling elbows down and flaring your lats at the bottom. Right here, you want to flare them and squeeze and contract your lats. So that's going to help, again, widen. First exercise, shoulders, lats, rear delts. Now what we're going to do, we're going to come down a little farther and we're going to focus on tightening up your oblique muscles, all right? Tight obliques will help bring in your waist. That's what you're trying to do. All right, I like the Russian twist. There's several different twisting variations you can do. One exercise I will tell you to avoid, let me show you this real quick, is the side bend. Wasn't even going to do this, but let me show you. Never do the side bend. What that is going to do is build muscle to your obliques. You don't want wider obliques. It's going to make your waist look wider. Building muscle underneath the fat that you have is going to make you look fatter. So the goal here is to just tighten up your obliques and streamline that waist, all right? So that's why I like the twisting variations. And the Russian twist is one of my favorite. Feet off the floor, twist, twist. Side to side. And you will notice a lot in your obliques. All right, so that's what you want to focus on. Here is keeping your feet off the floor. Lean back to engage the abs and obliques, and the twisting motion is going to help work and streamline those obliques, all right? So let's go back. Shoulders are wider, lats are wider, rear delts are wider. We've tightened up the waist. So the last thing you want to do to bring this V taper is add some size to your quad sweep. All right, so you're gonna be wider, come in tighter, and then go wider at the top. That great V X-frame V taper. One of the best exercises you can do for a quad sweep. Again, utilizing dumbbells. We're gonna do heel elevated, so get some weight plates. Elevate your heels by standing on them, all right? And then you are gonna do a narrow squat, dumbbell squat. What you also wanna focus on though, you can see my feet really close together. Bring your toes out. Get this squat. I like to get started at the bottom of the position. Keep your upper body straight, core engaged and tight throughout the entire time, and don't round your shoulders. When you get the weight, stand up nice and tall. Chest out, shoulders back, push here, and lift. You want to focus on your quads, all right? Down, lift. Quads. All quads. And this elevation is going to help put the emphasis on your quad sweep as opposed to your glutes, hams, and adductors. So that's why you have the heels elevated, and that's why you're doing the narrow stance. If you're wide, it's going to take some of the stress away from your quads. So keep them nice and narrow. Again, toes being slightly out is more for the knee health. You want to make sure you keep your knees and joints healthy. Just like that. But all right, guys. Start doing these exercises weekly, and you're going to notice that taper coming in. One thing I want to mention though, doing the exercises are one thing, but clean up that nutrition. If you got bad nutritional habits, you're still going to have a lot of fat around your gut, around your lower back, especially guys, and around your waist. So combine the exercises with good, clean nutrition. Got some good nutrition videos out there showing you how to eat, what to eat to help eliminate some body fat. Check those out if you haven't done so already. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Click on the bell icon. That way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So don't want you missing out on any of these videos. But get these exercises implemented, guys. Again, get those shoulders wider, back wider, quads wider, and tighten up that waist. You're gonna have an amazing V-taper. That's all I got, guys. If you have any comments, comment below. Other than that, get busy, get after it, and God bless.